Idea how Earth interact with various sphere available in Earth surface. The mainly Earth surface को तीन तरफ डिवाइड कर सकते हो. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वाटर, एयर एंड सॉइल. बट the combination of a three sphere to create another sphere called biosphere. Let's start this class and know how Earth interact and create a biosphere for space of living. Okay, let's start these discussions. First of all, Earth sphere. Earth sphere means called lithosphere, atmosphere, hydrosphere, and biosphere. What is the meaning of a lithosphere? Friends, lithosphere refers to study and availability of a solid earth. The surface of earth called lithosphere. Lithosphere only focus earth surface, means soil part or small layer of a soil. But atmosphere, what is the meaning of atmosphere? You know that atmosphere composition of gases surrounding the earth is called airs. The components of airs and gases called atmosphere. But lithosphere is very important part of earth because 70% 70% of earth surface covered by the hydrosphere. Hydrosphere means all water found on under and over the surface of earth called hydrosphere. Hydro means water, lithos means surface, atmosphere means gases, friends. But the interaction between lithosphere, atmosphere and hydrosphere, the interaction between lithosphere, atmosphere and hydrosphere to easily create a new sphere, and which sphere helps to living organism and sustain all existence living biotic and non-biotic or abiotic components in there called biosphere. Okay, biosphere means where the living organism can easily survive his life through the interaction between lithosphere means surface of earth, hydrosphere means to cover all grounds resources and water resources, and atmosphere means gases for living. Okay, can you see this sentence? Interaction of lithosphere, atmosphere, biosphere and hydrosphere. Okay, after the interaction between various sphere, earth is a biome and a place of availability of a healthy interaction between atmosphere, lithosphere and hydrosphere creates a suitable environment for existing life. Okay, friends, why is the earth unique? Why? What is the reason behind earth are become a unique planet of the universe? Because habitable means only earth can support life. The stars should survive long enough for the planets to develop life. Water should remain liquid. It is earth is unique. It is very Goldilocks zones. Remember that means it is a place to easily survive and it is a place to easily access all the availability and all the resources, all the elements, gases, and equipments for existing a life. Already discussed bariosphere of the earth, such as hydrosphere mainly refers to the water portion of the earth, and atmosphere refers to gaseous envelope of the earth, and geosphere is solid component of the earth, and biosphere is a sphere who create interaction between various sphere called living component of the earth, and this sphere is very important for the living organism and non-living organism, biotic and abiotic component for both them. This sphere provides a suitable environment for existing life easily. Let's start discuss the hydrosphere and what is the meaning of hydrosphere and how hydrosphere to help human life or any type of life to existing earth, and how to interact other sphere of the earth. Friends, let's start hydrosphere. What is the meaning of hydrosphere? Friends, hydrosphere mainly known as the water sphere, water layer of all over the earth, and earth is the blue planet. Why earth is called blue planet? Because 70% of the earth covered by the water, and blue marbles because of the water component, and water in the earth is unique because it naturally exists in three phases. What are the three phases, friends? Let's discuss on what are the three phases of the hydrosphere. Friend, hydrosphere. The hydrosphere makes of 71% of the Earth's surface, and most of its salt water found in the oceans. It is main problem of the hydrosphere for providing sufficient water in 21st people's demands and need, because all people wants maximum water, and many people's not aware the proper consumption of water, then he wastes the water unnecessary work. So 71% of the water of the earth is not for easily accessible, and for good for health because it is a salt water. How many water of our surface is suitable for health or good for health? Just 0%, 0.02 level of hydrosphere, it is very good for health. It is a very graphical presentations total global water system and fresh water system, surface water, and other fresh water. For living things, 0%, 26% is available for drink, because all the water is icy form, atmosphere evaporations, warms, and oceans, glacier, icy, etc. Only 0% to 6, only 0.26% is available for the drinking and good for health. Okay, friends. Groundwater is the largest sources of fresh water available to human. Only groundwater of the earth is it is the largest reserve and conserve of fresh water available to human, and human can easily access this part of the water for his existing life. It is very important how does the hydrosphere interact with the other spheres of the earth. Hydrosphere: evaporation, atmosphere, precipitations, geosphere, runoff, hydrosphere. It is three process: evaporation, precipitations and runoff. Runoff means to running rain season or spread the raindrop on the earth's surface. Precipitation together the clouds, and evaporation means to consume the gases in the form of water and moisture. It is very clearly feasible picture for understand this concept of water cycles, evaporations, groundwater, evaporation from the oceans, lack of stream, and condensations, transformations from the planets, then precipitations, and surface runoff. Clearly understand four process of the water cycle. First of all, groundwater, then evaporation in the form of gases and moisture forms from the oceans, lakes, and any types of water sources of the earth surface, then condensation in the form of the clouds, and also tree helps to transmit transformations from the planets. Then after condensations, these clouds becomes precipitation form in the earth temperature, then run of the earth drop on the earth of the earth surface. It is a cycling process of earth water system. How hydrosphere helps in our body growth and development of a child, because composes 75% of your brain, and regulates your body temperature, make off 83% your blood, remove waste, composes 22% of your bones. Many helps to our bodies by the hydrosphere means water, helps convert foods to energy, protect and digest your foods on the stomach, make up 75% of your muscles, and moisture oxygen for the breathing system, helps to carry nutrients and oxygen to your cells, etc. Many helps by the hydrosphere. Now, friend, discuss atmosphere. What is the meaning of atmosphere? This is the thin, life-giving gaseous envelope of the Earth. Its composition is divided into a major components NO, nitrogen and oxygen, variable components water, vapor, and aerosols, etc. The atmosphere composition of the atmosphere: trace gases, carbon dioxide and nitrogen. Nitrogen part of the earth 78% 08 is part of the nitrogen, and oxygen is 20.95%, and argon 0.93%, and stress gases is 0.4, hydrogen 0.0005, and crafton 0.001, and methane 0.001, helium 0.005, and neon 0.018% of the earth. Two main maximum gases on the earth is nitrogen and oxygen. Nitrogen is 78% of the earth, and oxygen is 20 point. Okay, then oxygen and nitrogen, it maximum gases on the earth surface. Nitrogen is 78.08 and oxygen is 20.95. Okay, atmosphere. Water vapor is the gaseous phase of water able to drop heat on an Aerosol is a suspension of fine solid or liquid particles in a gases, smoke, fog, and smith. It means atmosphere smoke means it is a clouded form of the earth's surface, and to create moisture for the earth's surface, and water vapor to help to condensations, and also help the water cycle process of the earth. This is atmospheric condition of the earth. Now discussion atmosphere. The major components are responsible for the air that people's breathes and draft outgoing infrared radiation to keep earth warm. It is very important because without atmosphere a man cannot be consume oxygen for the breathing, and breathing helps also the existing life, and this atmosphere helps to protect UV rays from the earth, and maintain the balance. Earth warms means earth hot and cold system and maintains one balance on the earth surface. Okay friends, then atmosphere, the variable component are responsible for the weather and climate, and weather and climate are the experience on earth because of the interaction of the atmosphere with the hydrogen and geosphere. It is very important because weather, first of all, two components. First is weather, second is climate. Weather and climate are the experienced on the earth because of the interaction of the atmosphere with the hydrogen and geosphere means where the living organism existing is life. Geosphere and hydrosphere, with the help of a weather and climate system, in balance between suitable environment can be created. Okay friends, next atmospheres. Various components of atmosphere helps to our surface create a sustainable and suitable environment for existing of life. Means water vapor is needed for cloud formations and atmospheric heat relations. What means this water vapor helps to atmospheres and clouds formations and heat renaissance. Aerosol serves as condensation nuclei for the water vapor because it can absorb, reflects, cluster income of solar radiations. This condensation helps to water vapor because it can be absorbed, reflect, and scatter incoming solar radiations. It helps, and it spread solar radiations, and it reflects and absorb and scatter in on incoming solar radiation, and provide a suitable and healthy light and energy to the earth. Okay, atmospheric situation, because troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, various sphere available in the earth surface, because this many surface maintain various layer of a limited area to run off various type of activities in a particular areas, such as troposphere condensation evaporation system can be held, but stratosphere means it is a suitable environment for the aeroplane running, and it is a very clear without any cloud because it is a top of the troposphere. And mesosphere is a type of earth surface because meteoroids and asteroids can be born in this sphere. Troposphere lowest layer, temperature decreases with latitude, 11th kilometer thick of this air, where weather phenomena occur. And tropopause is also called tropopause because it is a lowest layer of the earth's surface. Temperature decreases with latitude, 11th kilometer thickness, where weather phenomena is occur, and called also tropopause. Okay, clear. And stratosphere is extended and scattered his surface level 11th kilometer to 48 kilometer surface. Temperature increases with the latitude where the ozone layer is found, called also troposphere. 11 to 48, first of all 0 to 11, then called troposphere, stratosphere 11 to 48. And it is a very important because temperature increases with latitude and where ozone zone is found, because stratus means ozone layer. It is extend 48 kilometer of the earth surface. Next, what is the meaning of ozone layer? Ozone layer is nothing. It is the component of the atmosphere that protect earth from the harmful UV rays, ultraviolet of the sun. Okay, then this is ultraviolet rays to earth. Then mesosphere, temperature decreases with altitude. Then troposphere, the stratosphere is increasing temperature, but mesosphere decreasing temperature with latitude, coldest layer because minus 90 degrees Celsius. This is mesosphere. Mesosphere means moisture. Mesosphere means decreases. Where asteroid and meteors burn up, means burn up means to cool down, because it is a very cold surface of the earth, also called mesosphere. Troposphere, it is a climatic condition. Stratosphere, it is a very clear. And stratosphere means ozone layer can be found and protect the UV rays. And mesosphere is very cloud and very cold and 9 minus 30 30 degree Celsius, because these parts helps to cool down the all the asteroid and meteors, and called mesosphere. Then thermosphere. Thermosphere means 55 kilometer Kármán lines, largest amount of atmospheric molecules, receive most of the AC radiations and increase in temperature as altitude increases. Atmosphere, layer of the atmosphere polluting.